family, welcome back again to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Sonia and you're welcome to join the family. So my old and new subscribers, thank you guys so much. I really do appreciate it all. Okay, I went a little bit shopping. Okay, this is basilicum. This is basilicum. In Germany, they call it basilicum. It's basil. I bought two. This is fresh thyme. I bought tomatoes on sales. Normally they sell it €1.49 or €1.99. So they are selling it now 89 cents. So it's on sales, and I bought a lot. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I bought 7. So I'm going to be using this to marinate my meat later. I bought a lot of this also. It was also on sales. This is milk. I normally do my shopping once in a month, but during the month, if anything that I don't have, I will just go there and pick it. But normally I like to do bulk shopping. So I bought a lot of rice. I bought 10 packs of this rice. So this is the rice I normally use. This is the rice I use. Okay, this is from Aldi. I mainly do my shopping from Aldi. Just once in a while I go to Lidl, and I also buy my meat, especially my meat from Globus. Okay, so I bought grease. This one I used to replace my pounded yam or any other fufu. So this one I just make it as if it's pounded yam, but it's grease. Okay, but this is what I use in the replacement of fufu. I bought a lot also. So let's just put this back. So I just came back from work and I'm tired, but I want to prepare everything I'm going to use later after resting. So I'll be making oil stew and fried plantain. I don't know if I'm going to boil potato, but let's see. Sweet potato. So I also bought some corn. I'm going to boil this corn later. When we eat corn. So I'll transfer this my leaves. This I will use for the stew today. So I will take the leaves and I will start putting water so that they can grow back. Okay. This is the fish I'm going to use today. Plantain is ready. Plantain is ready. Potato is ready. Potato is ready. You can choose any one you want to use to eat this delicious sauce. I have my rice there. Yeah. So you can choose to eat it with rice, potato, and plantain or plantain. So guys, if you watch up to this time, thank you very much. I'm going to see you all in my next video. Stay blessed and bye. I'm so tired. This is yum, 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 yum. I love eating with my hands. Already there. Meaning it's sweet well.